The coming 5 years will be important years for Malta in its life in the European Union. In 2017 you will be presiding the Union, and 2018 your capital city Valletta will be the European capital of culture. The current government has seen European Union membership as its final destination. Joseph Muscat will continue using Malta's membership in the EU as a tool to improve people's lives. He guarantees that he will continue to fight for Malta's best interests. For this reason, on 9th of March, you have to choose Labour Party. You have to choose Joseph Muscat.